I have a Uber pickup for Joanne. Oh?
Joanne.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Hey, how you doing? I have an Uber drop-off.
Alright.
Do you know where the community building is?
What is it?
It's the community building.
Community building?
Yeah. I always get lost in there.
Do you have the building number?
It is rooms 173 at Center B CLCB.
Well, the CLC, you're gonna go down and make the left, and the CLC will be on the right hand side. You got an ID or something?
No, they don't give me that stuff.
Alright, you're good. Just go down, make your first left, and it'll be, you'll see the CLC on the right hand side.
So go left and go right.
Right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
for?
Hi, I have an Uber pick or drop off for Joanna O.
Joanna O, Uber drop off? Oh, is that?
Hey.
TLCA. Do you have her number to call her? Because Joanna is not here.
I don't. I mean, I can call her.
Yeah, give her a call and find out which building she's at.
Hey, how you doing? She's in the CLBC, room 173.
Where is it? Play card back. Right.
Are you talking to me?
Huh?
Were you talking to me on the phone?
No,
Okay.
there's like this one.
I'm looking
Where are you
for
going?
room 173.
And what'd you say?
Said the Community Living Center.
Okay. Do you mind if I take
Yeah,
it?
sure.
Community Living Center. CLCB. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. All right. Well, we gotta go. You're not gonna need your bike.
Let me secure
But
it.
you are gonna need a hike.
Okay. I got lost here last
Yeah.
Yeah. Drop my camera. Well,
So yeah. So
am I able to exit through any of
You
these
can
doors?
exit,
Because
yeah.
I'll just go
Yeah,
outside.
that
Yeah, that'll be
Yeah.
way easier.
Exiting is
Okay.
It's yeah.
Well, I remember one time I kind of got lost and couldn't find a good exit door. I was like, where do I go?
It's not. It's a very large facility.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go up, step.
Oh, yeah.
I would take you across the yard there, but I think that they closed that door. I think they're changing the structure of it.
Okay.
Because it's easier, we just would have cut across the lawn. However,
Right. But this is the right building, the community.
No.
No? Okay.
There's like 5
Oh.
of those buildings.
Oh, really?
That's why you're
Oh,
like, oh, I
it's
understand.
the center B. Is that
Yes,
like?
that's where I'm taking you, right. We're Serenity, the other one's Tranquility, there's A and there's B.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to B. I'm trying to think the best way.
Should I do like a YouTube video for future drivers?
Yes,
So
yes,
this is what you do if you deliver
With
to the VA.
instructions on the ground and everything, yes. Indeed.
Thank you.
Look at that, we got a parade going through here.
It just carried.
That's all right, I'm heading this way anyway. Hello.
How you doing? Hey.
Your skills fair? Is that where you were? Yep. Did you do good? Did you get fired? Yeah,
no.
we're hungry. You hungry?
Yeah.
He gave us some bacon and just
It's some sheets. Yeah.
I don't know, sometimes cheese is okay too.
Yeah, I
Look
mean,
how dark it is up there.
Yeah.
It's funny because I closed my car windows.
no, they're not. It was
and
sprinkling
I'm
just
right,
now.
And I was like, you guys, I got a thingy saying there's going to be thunderstorms coming. So they're making fun of me. So I don't have my phone around, so I take a picture of it. I'd be like, see, I told you. So the best way for you to probably try to come in the future
Yes. Okay.
would probably, the shortest way would probably be this parking lot
Okay.
right here. It's the.
Yeah, I usually hit the main building, and usually people are there. But then the last time I was here, they sent me this way, and I was on a wild goose chase.
Yes,
I didn't know
yeah.
where I was going.
So like, if you come, well, we'll do it on the way out.
Okay.
But
Thank you so much for helping.
yeah, I needed to walk in.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You'll never find it. Here, go push that button there.
Yeah. I actually stopped taking orders from the last one I had. It was such a traumatic loss experience. I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that right now.
You remember where you had to go?
Yeah, it was somewhere in this building,
Oh.
but on the first floor.
Oh, okay.
And they
Believe
needed
it or not, the hospital's less confusing than this area is.
Yeah, it seems that way.
It does. Well, actually, no, there's a better parking lot for you. Okay. All right, never mind. I got it.
Okay.
We got you. All right, see B.
Okay, gotcha.
And I don't have my badge.
Yeah, this is the place I went to last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And I don't have my badge.
I don't remember taking an elevator though. I
That's
think
because you came in.
yeah,
Yeah.
came to
You
the
came
other.
in from our building.
Okay.
That's why. Hmm? Hello. This
Hi.
young man has food.
I have a delivery for Joanna.
Mr. O'Donnell,
Yes.
midway down on the left.
Okay.
I'm gonna hang.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, honey. There.
Man, I
Okay,
could have
so-
used the bike actually.
Huh?
I could have used the bike in
You
here,
have to
right?
get in here. Okay, so where you park,
Yes.
if you would have kept going straight,
Yes.
I'm gonna take you out.
Sure,
here.
yeah.
I mean, I'm trying to make it quick because I know you have things to do.
Yeah, no worries.
So, if you go straight, we're just on the other side of that building.
Okay.
You just can't see because there's a building. If you would go straight,
Yeah,
you
park
could
there.
probably pull right up through here.
Can I
Or-
easily walk there from here?
No.
Okay.
Well, you can on the outside.
Okay,
yeah,
gotcha.
you can. If you get lost, ask where the fish pond is.
Okay.
Where the CLC is. Yeah. So
Right.
you could have been real close. Now that is B, and on the other side over there is A.
Is
So
there
if it
any
ever happens again, it's the community living centers.
is there any other buildings like that around here?
Oh, damn it! Where's my phone so
Yeah.
I can show them? Look, see, there is thunder.
Yep. You were right. They were wrong.
I know. Oh, they were giving me a hard time. Call me crazy. You have to go inside and tell them that you heard thunder. 'Cause
Right.
They won't believe me.
Right.
So there's a 5th floor that's all community living center.
Okay.
But where if you park here,
Right.
that's A.
Okay.
The other side's B, and it's on the wall.
Okay.
And we are Tranquility and Serenity. That's where you were over there.
Gotcha.
And other than that, the 5th floor, it's all the 5th floor. So you can just go and say, "What am I doing?" And they'll take you in the right place.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be able to see your bike once you round this corner here.
Yeah, so I've delivered to this building and the main building
Yeah, don't
multiple
go up
times.
that way
Yeah.
because that's not going to help you. You won't
Right.
be able to get anything there.
Any other people order around here?
Oh, you know, we get people that order.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he generally gives them pretty good light directions. Yeah.
Okay.
So look, you see where your bike is?
I do.
Yeah. So if you just go straight a little bit further, the
Yes.
road tippy turns a little bit. But if you go straight a little bit further
Yeah.
and park by that fish pond gate.
Now I know the fish pond
Yes,
reference.
the fish pond, and that's A and B. That's what will take you there.
Well, that
Alrighty?
was very helpful. Thank you so
Well,
much.
Sure. I know. It's
Yeah.
quite a hike, isn't it?
This is like a college dorm.
Yes,
Campus,
I know,
I should
right?
say.
It really is. It's very confusing. And we didn't even hit the other side of the campus.
Oh
Yeah.
boy.
There's a whole nother side over there.
Oh my gosh.
See, I would have taken you up that door right there, but that's the one that we swept right.
Oh really?
Yeah, or else we would have just popped up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have the main hospital, the community living center.
Mm-hmm.
What other main
There's
places?
Dom.
Was it?
That's right by the water tower.
Yeah.
And that, you think this is a cluster?
What is it called
The
again?
Dom is way worse.
it-
Dom, like
Tom.
dormitory. Dom.
Dom.
Yep.
Gotcha. Oh, I left my signal on.
Well, that's probably just going.
Sorry.
Where am I going? Anyhow, so next time you come, A and B
Yes.
just go a little more straight.
Thank you
Okay?
so much. I appreciate your help.
Sure.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right. So if you're in the West Virginia area delivering to the VA in Martinsburg, there's a breakdown for you. It is super confusing.
Yeah.